Hey everyone! Today, we're diving straight into something exciting from Ring. Amazon-owned Ring just dropped a smart security camera called the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam. And let me tell you, it's set to shake things up. Let's kick things off by talking about coverage. This camera's got a motorized panning motion that sweeps the entire room, giving you a full 360-degree view. Plus, with its tilt function of up to 169 degree, those pesky blind spots? Yeah, they're a thing of the past. You might be asking yourself, who's this camera for? Well, pretty much everyone. Whether you're a pet parent keeping an eye on your furry friend, or someone who wants comprehensive coverage with just one device, the Pan Tilt Indoor Cam has got you covered. Now let's talk specs. We're talking 1080p HD resolution video and color night vision, ensuring you get crystal clear footage day or night. And with the Ring app, you've got full control from checking in remotely to receiving those crucial motion detection alerts. But this camera isn't just about video. It's a full-on security powerhouse with live view, two-way communication, custom motion zones, and an audible alarm. You've got peace of mind like never before. But wait, there's more. You can set Pan Tilt Indoor Cam to record when someone rings your doorbell, or have it trigger a video recording on another Ring cam when it detects motion. You can also integrate the cam with other smart home devices, like your trusty Amazon Echo Dot for seamless control with just your voice. And for those privacy-conscious folks out there, the physical camera shutter adds an extra layer of security. And here's a little cherry on top, a 30-day trial of RingProtect. A subscription typically charged at $4.99 or £4.99 per month. For extras like 180-day cloud storage of footage, alerts for people, and an extended warranty. Pretty sweet deal, right? And let's not forget about style, because who said security cameras can't be stylish? With 5 sleek colors to choose from, including 3 new shades, you can match your camera to your vibe. So, what are you waiting for? You can pre-order your Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam right now for just $79.99 in the US, and customers in the UK will be able to purchase the product at the end of May for £69.99. Trust me, this is one investment you won't regret. And hey, if you're as excited about this as I am, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more awesome tech content, and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, stay safe. Catch you later.